Good afternoon from the Great Smoky Mountains of Tennessee. We're about to bike Cades Cove Loop. Brie's got a new bike. Are you excited to use that?
Yes, very excited.
Not a bike, a trike.
Yes.
With a little basket that we've got a picnic, some snacks and drinks and goodies. So we're gonna bring you guys along with us and look for some animals. It's in the middle of the day. It is a little bit of a warm afternoon, but maybe we'll see some bears and deer, maybe.
I hope so.
So we invite you to join us as I give you a couple highlights of our afternoon bike ride to Cades Cove. Without further ado, let our adventure begin.
We recently did an unboxing video of Bries New Trike. In this video, we'll spend more time as we go into the Great Smoky Mountain National Park into Cades Cove Loop, showing you more footage of the sights and sounds of the national park and the animals within, including a black bear, as Hannah gets her first loop scoop and we pick out a new t-shirt that we've been wanting to get. So let's unload these bikes and go for a bike ride.
We've arrived to our destination. Let's see how hard it is to get this thing out. Be nice and gentle. Brand new trike. Come back. We're gonna go to the edge. Yep, and now I'm gonna set this part down, do a little wheelie. So obviously a trailer would be ideal to drive it up onto a trailer, but obviously doable if you have a truck. So we're about to take off on a bike ride, and I love this huge storage compartment back here.
We've got our cooler, my hat, a couple other little things.
Ready to hop on?
I'm ready. Let the adventure begin.
Indeed. I think you're powered on.
I'm powered on.
Belle is ready to go. Oh, there she goes. All right, let's catch up with her. Curb here, over. There we go.
Okay.
All right, you're on the road.
We're
Here
good.
we go.
Here we go.
So, what do you think?
I think this is wonderful so far. This is comfortable. It's very sturdy. I'm excited to do the whole loop.
Oh, there's some horses. Making a quick stop to come check out these horses.
The horses are out today. They weren't out last time. I can pet them right here on the nose, like between the eyes.
Pretty horse.
Good horse, aren't you? Yes. He said, yes, I'm a good horse. Yeah. He's like, do you have an apple? Maybe a carrot? Our first animals.
All right, we definitely at least saw some horses on this expedition. Got Sparks Lane, which we could turn and make it a 4-mile loop, but we're gonna keep going. It is a beautiful day here at Cades Cove.
So I've gotten used to how the bike works. I've got it in a gear that I like. I've gotten used to the sensitivity of the throttle and the brakes, and it's kind of smooth sailing now. I'm really enjoying it. I feel like I've, got a good feel for it. It's good. I'm enjoying it. This bike is great. And I was a little nervous on the hills of Cades Cove, but the brakes have been great going downhill and the throttle has been great going uphill. So far, so good.
Possible bear sighting. We can't figure out where he went. Somewhere along here.
Got a bike bear jam.
There he is, right there. He's making his way out of the heat into the woods, right over down to the right there. So let's see if we can see him again. Look at this view. It's fantastic. Yeah, I could do this every Wednesday, so long as my body is able to.
That hill was easy. So this bike is really powerful. I've only had it on like power 1 to go up the hills. And I've turned it up to 4 just to see what it was like, but I really could have gone up every hill with a 1, so very impressive.
We've made it to Hyatt Lane. We could take a left here and make it an 8-mile loop, but we're gonna do the full 11 miles.
Okay.
I am being fed grapes.
In the shade.
In the shade. Thank you, Hannah. Delicious grapes. Having a little break along the side of the road, grabbing some water, some Powerade, and some healthy, delicious goldfish. No vehicle Wednesday. Very nice to go at our own pace. Stop and enjoy a snack along the way, because we're enjoying Cades Cove. If we wanted to, we could go down this road to Abram Falls, but we're gonna keep going. We got ice cream calling our name up front. Let's hit the road and head up to the front. We are surrounded by flowers, and Brie says she still has a full battery. So much better than last time you were here?
Much better, yes. Well, last time was fine, but this is definitely, I'm not worried about conserving energy.
Working around the other side of the loop. Just passed by Hyatt Lane. It's like Micah and Hannah and Brie are all doing well behind me as I turn around and check. Just wanted to give you a couple extra views here of Cades Cove for those who would love to be here right now. Hope you're enjoying this little drive along on bikes. We have a horse crossing. We'll let the horses go by. So I switched bikes with Micah. I want to make sure he had a pleasant experience. His bike ran out of electricity. So I've been doing this long uphill last stretch. But that's okay, because I could use some extra calorie burnage to come have some ice cream. So I think I see everybody else right up here. Ran out of power. We made it though.
For you.
Ice cream. We're almost to the ice cream. We made it. 11 miles. We'll come to the campground store, but let's go put up our bikes back in the truck over here to the right. We did 11 miles. How was it?
Wonderful. I love this bike. I will take it every time. Only next time I'm gonna take Hannah on the back.
What percentage is your battery at?
It's still full.
Full battery after 11 miles.
Yeah, and I used it. I could have done the electric the whole time, but I wanted to get some exercise. So I just did it like up the hills and good to go.
All right, Hannah, you ready for some ice cream? Let's go head in here to the ice cream and souvenirs, the campground store. So Micah and Hannah are each going to get a loop scoop. Micah got Reese's and Oreo. Hannah got M&M's, hot fudge, and I don't know, something good. Chocolate ice cream. Look like some good loop scoops. Hannah just spotted the pork rinds they have here at Cades Cove. You sure you don't want to swap that out for some pork rinds? No? Pretty good. Worth all the biking to get to it, huh? Was it worth it, Hannah, to go for the bike ride? She says the hot fudge is really good.
They finally had this shirt back in stock that Brie and I have seen and really wanted to get. So she picked up the green version and I got the blue version. And Micah picked up this Great Smoky Mountain National Park hat with a bear on it.
All right, well that wraps up today's adventure. Brie got to try out her new bike. You really loved it, didn't you?
I did.
And Hannah finally got to do the loop on an electric bike, so it was a lot easier. She's off to the side getting, trying not to get chocolate on her face, so she's not in the video right now. But we hope you guys have enjoyed joining us. We're excited to come back to more bike rides, especially maybe in the fall when it starts to cool down in September. I'd love to come back one last time on a Wednesday before they open it back up on Wednesdays. So that wraps up today's adventure. Until next time, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.
Bye.